Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Virginia Trace, just south of Sumter Landing. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco gardenia model designer home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Virginia Trace in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom gardenia model designer home offered at $739,000. The bond is paid on this home and the roof was replaced in the year 2020. You will like how this home looks on the inside. I will start by taking a view of the street. The front of this home faces north, and as I pan to my left, that is facing east. And panning to my right, that is facing west. This home, as I walk up to it, has an awesome brick paver driveway. It has a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage, and it is a block and stucco home. You can see it has very mature landscaping. This home is in very good condition, and as always, friends, if you have more interest in this home and more questions, please contact Karen Kamperman at Cornerstone Keller Williams Realty. If you have any questions about this home, we do have showing agent Don inside the home as well. You can contact him, and I will include his contact information in the description of the video. As I walk up to the front of this home, I do notice this brick paver sidewalk walkway, and it has a very nice door with leaded glass. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, Don. Can you tell us a little bit about this home?
Yeah, I can, Tim. My name is Don Kolenda. I work with Keller Williams Cornerstone and Karen Kamperman, the K team, the K group. And this house is a gardenia, but it's an oversized. It's actually 3,000 square foot. And as you enjoy your visit, you'll see a grand piano on the lanai. So it's a split air, and
Okay, thank you. I will take a tour through this home, and I will leave your contact information in the description of the video.
Okay.
Thank you, Don. Here I am, friends, standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful ceramic tile floor, very large lanai area. There is a solar tube in the ceiling in that living area as well. Off to the left, friends, I do notice a guest quarters, and off to the right there is the kitchen area, and I will go visit that area a little bit later. First of all, off to the left is the guest quarters. You do see that ceramic tile floor continuing. Off to the right you do see a guest bedroom with laminate floors. This home shows very well. It has knockdown textured ceilings. It also has plantation shutters, bifold raised panel doors on the closet as well. And there's even closet organizers inside that closet in this guest bedroom. Off to the hallway, the ceramic tile floors do continue. This is a guest bathroom. Ceramic tile floors continue. White cabinets. That is a leather granite countertop. That is very gorgeous. There's another solar tube in this guest bathroom. It has a tub and a tile shower surround as well. As I continue, this bedroom is located in the front of the home and has laminate floors. That is a Murphy bed there, friends. Plantation shutters. Knockdown textured ceilings. in this bedroom. The front of this home does face north. As always, please contact either your listing agent Karen or your showing agent Don if you have more questions about this home. I will walk into that living area and show you that as well, and dining. This is an expanded gardenia model home, just panning off into that kitchen area. That is gorgeous. I will visit that a little bit later. Here is your living area. It has the tile floors. It does have the solar tube, your dining area there. Knockdown textured ceilings, very tall ceilings. This lanai is absolutely gorgeous, and it is huge. I cannot believe the size of this lanai. The great room has a dimension of 48 feet by 25 feet. This is absolutely beautiful. It's stunning in here. Very tall. Cathedral ceilings, knockdown texture. The back of this home does face south. There is the piano Don was talking about. This is a temperature-controlled great room. There is a mini split air conditioner right there. Windows. This is absolutely awesome, this room. Tile floors. Large, it looks to me to be, appears to be 18-inch tile. Wow, this is amazing. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. This home is offered at $739,000. It is very close to Lake Sumter Landing, less than a 5-minute golf cart ride to Lake Sumter. Let's take a walk outside and look at the outdoor patio area. You do see the brick paver continue here on that outdoor patio. That is your side yard. That is facing north. That is the back of your home, friends. That is a better look at your roof line that was replaced in the year 2020. Look at this great room. That great room is awesome. Back of your home. That is simply gorgeous. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Next, I will walk inside that home and I will show you that kitchen area and the primary bedroom area as well. This home even has a fireplace in the corner. Wow, this is awesome. I will walk into this home and I will show you the primary bedroom area next. And then I will finish up with the kitchen. Off to the left is your primary bedroom area, laminate floors. Continue in here. That is a king-size bed, friends, to give you perspective of this room. Does have a closet right there. There are built-ins in that closet as well. It's like they turned this closet into a small office space. How cool is that? This is the primary bedroom. Plantation shutters, very high, knockdown textured ceilings. This is your bathroom area as well. You do see it has walk-in closets on either side of that hallway. Knockdown textured ceilings, sliding pocket doors. It does have raised panel bifold doors. This would be a linen closet right there. Very high ceilings, tiled floors in this primary bathroom. looks like granite countertops, 2 sinks, white cabinets, raised panel. Look at this. There's a window there. Very light and bright. It has a separate commode space. Tile floors in that commode space as well. There's your shower. There's a window in that commode space. Let's see what the shower looks like. It is a tiled shower, very neutrally colored shower. Tile surround. There is a seat in that shower as well. We'll spin around and show you what that bathroom looks like. It's a better look at your bathroom. 2 sinks. Very nice. Very light and bright. How awesome is that? This home is an expanded gardenia model offered at $739,000. There's a better look at that primary bedroom area. I will go out into the garage and that laundry area as well. Tile floors continue in the laundry area. Knockdown textured ceilings, raised panel doors. Here is your garage. It is a block and stucco home, painted concrete floor, 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. There is a sink in the corner over there. This home is awesome. We are in the village of Virginia Trace, located very near Lake Sumter Landing. Next, we'll walk into that kitchen. This kitchen is a showstopper. Leather granite countertops, white cabinets, raised panel, brushed stainless hardware, recessed lighting, knockdown texture, plantation shutters. It is a very large sink, 2 sinks, electric built-in stove, 2 ovens, stainless appliances, at least a stainless washer. Very nice. Tile backsplash. That backsplash is beautiful. Has an island. I will video the specification sheet as well, friends. This is located at 788 Haynesville Way, here in the Villages, Florida. Expanded gardenia model. New roof in 2020. No bond. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. This is your specification sheet. Please contact Karen Kamperman if you have any questions, or the showing agent Don. List price $739,000. Feel free to pause the specification sheet if you have any questions. I will turn the specification sheet over. There are the rest of your room dimensions right there, friends. Next, I will walk out into the street, give you one last view of this gorgeous kitchen area. This is a beautiful home. List price $739,000. I will walk out into the street and I'll give you one last panoramic view of this home. This home is simply gorgeous, very mature landscaping. Panning off to the right as I exit, panning to the left. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Karen Kamperman, or your showing agent, Don, and I will include both their contact information in the description of the video. It's a gorgeous Saturday here in the Villages, Florida. There you have it. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, expanded gardenia model home. List price $739,000. Located here in the village of Virginia Trace. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Virginia Trace. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom gardenia model block and stucco home is offered at $739,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.